Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to install Rocky Linux on a VMware Fusion on a MacBook operating system. First step, we need to install a VMware Fusion. As we can see here on the screen, this is the website of the VMware and we can download the VMware Fusion from here. There's one point I need to mention here. It's not a free software application, so you have to buy it. Next step, we go to the Rocky Linux website, as we can see here, and it's for free. You can download the ISO file. You don't have to pay anything for it, and it's based on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So we click on download, and we can see over here we have the two options. It depends on the architecture of your CPU. I downloaded the 64 bits, the DVD ISO file. So right now I'm going to show you how to create a new virtual machine. So here we have, this is the VMware Fusion, and I already explained to you in the previous videos how to install a how to create a virtual machine on Oracle VMware virtual box. So but I'm not going to do it here in this lesson, so I'm going to focus on the VMware here, VMware Fusion. So I'm going to click here, new, and as you can see over here, so I have the ISO file over here, so I'm going to drag and drop here, and it shows me here this is the ISO file, and next. Now you have to choose what the type. As I said, that you could use the Red Hat 64 bits here, or you could also use the CentOS, because also it's based on the CentOS 8. Continue. Now we can go, we'll leave it as it is. We're not gonna change anything, so continue. Here you can change here the customized settings, so I would type Rocky Linux and I will save it. It's already exists. I could maybe have it before, so I will call it Rocky 8. Yep, and I will save it. Now as you can see over here, we have the settings of the Rocky Linux, so I could change the processor, how many processor do you want, and also I can increase the memory. So if I would like to increase it, I could increase it to 2 giga or 1 giga, so it's up to you. So I will leave it as it is, so you could increase it to 2 gigabyte, to 3 or 4, it's up to you. I will leave it for as it is. I'm not going to change anything. Here's the hard disk. If you would like to add another hard disk, so you could do that, so or you could remove it. And also the network, if you'd like to add another adapter for your network. I'm going to leave everything as it is. So now I think I have everything ready. Let me close that one, and I'm going to click here. Let's see. Now as you can see over here, it shows me what I need to do. So I'm going to choose the first one, install Rocky Linux 8. Wait, it will show us right now the installation page. Yeah, sometimes it takes time, it depends. Hopefully it will not take a long time. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to choose English United States, continue. The next page, we need to choose the hard disk and also to do some configuration, and also we can create the root user. Okay, maybe maximize it a little bit. So let's go here to install destination for this one. So just make sure we have 20. You could increase it if you would like. You can increase it later on from the settings. So here, click on this one, done. So make sure that we choose the right hard disk, keyboard. If you'd like to make sure that you have, maybe you would like to add another keyboard layout, so it's up to you. We leave it as it is. Now we just make sure here the software selection is a server with GUI. Good. Next, network. I will make sure this is the network is on, so we can get a connection, the bridge, so we'll get it from your operating system. You could even change the host name here. I'll change it maybe to Rocky 8. Yeah, maybe something like that. Yeah, okay, good. Done. I believe, did I get everything? You could, yeah, with the time, if you'd like to change, I will leave it to, America, New York. And over here you could put a root password. Okay, done. And you could also I'm gonna go back here again. If you will see here, user creation, I know, maybe let me move this down here. Yep, you see user creation. I'm going to create a new user, and I'm going to call this one students, and I'm going to make this user as an administrator, and I'm going to type the password here. Okay, good, done. I believe